Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, my topic is 8 part of speech. There are 8 part of speech: verb, noun, adjective, adverb, pronoun, interjection, conjunction, preposition. What is verb? Verb describe an action or experience. For example, run, walk, eat. Ali ran to school because he was late. Ran is verb. What is noun? Noun is name of place, person, thing, or ideas. For example, house, teacher, shop, cup. My teacher is very nice. Teacher is a noun. What is adjective? Adjective describe a noun or a pronoun. For example, short, beautiful. Amna looks beautiful. Beautiful is adjective. What is adverb? Describe a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. The adverb tell us how often, how, where, or when. For example, slowly, yesterday, always. Amna is always late for college. Always is adverb. What is pronoun? Replace the name of person, place, thing, or ideas in a sentence. For example, I, she, or they, it. Amna is my friend. She always helps me in studies. Always pronoun. Interjection express strong emotion and is often followed by an exclamation mark. For example, wow, oh wow, the view is amazing. Wow is interjection. What is conjunction? Connect words, phrases, or classes in a sentence. For example, and, but, although, or. My friend is very loud, whereas I am very quiet. Whereas is conjunction. What is preposition? Describe the place or direction. It is used before noun or pronoun. For example, under, above, in, during. The cat jumped over the box. Over is the preposition. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel.